This blower motor resistor BL3Z-19E624-A restores full control of your heating and air conditioning fan speeds, fixing issues like a fan that only works on one setting or not at all. It is engineered to fit seamlessly in many late-model Ford F-150, Ford Expedition, and Lincoln Navigator vehicles with automatic temperature control, making it a straightforward match for common trucks and sport utility vehicles. The module is built with durable electronic components and heat-resistant materials, so it stands up well to the high temperatures and current loads inside the blower housing. Its design closely follows original equipment specifications, so the connector, mounting points, and airflow orientation line up correctly for an easy do-it-yourself installation. Owners appreciate that this resistor is compatible with several original and aftermarket part numbers, which simplifies cross-referencing when replacing a failed factory unit. The included warranty provides extra peace of mind, turning what is usually an annoying climate control problem into a quick, reliable fix.